How's it going, guys? My name is Ishaan, and in this video I'm going to be covering the full technical analysis and short-term price target for Gamestop stock in just 4 minutes. So if you appreciate these short and value-packed and no fluff videos, make sure to drop a quick sub and let's get to it. Alright, so jumping into the technicals of GME on this 1 month 30-minute chart, we can see a few things right off the bat. First of all, we can see that the stock peaked out around this 192, 193 level. And if you go to the 2-month chart, we can actually see that that was a previous level of support. That's support over here and support over here at this $200 level. And that's essentially where the stock has found resistance now in this recent rally. And something that's bullish that's actually happening is that we're forming a falling wedge. It's not exactly higher lows and lower highs. As you can see, it's almost like a wedge is forming. So these falling wedges are usually signs of a bullish reversal, and that happens when we get a break above this diagonal top trend line. So if we can manage to break above this diagonal trend line, this stock could be heading higher. And however, what does seem somewhat bearish is that the stock seems to have formed a double top right over here at this 125 level. If I draw on the line, so we can actually see that over here it peaked out right over here at 125, then again it retested that level and again dropped back down. Overall, we are somewhat pretty oversold. We're getting a MACD cross down here as well, with the MACD line, which is the red line, crossing above the green signal line. And as I've shown you guys in all of my previous videos, this is super powerful in showing the momentum shifts. And so right now it looks like the momentum has somewhat shifted in the favor of bulls after this massive drop from about 200 down to 96. Another thing I'm noticing is that it somewhat looks like a reverse head and shoulders. As we can see, this is the neckline right here at 128. This is the resistance level. Right here is the left shoulder. This is the head, and this could be the formation of the right shoulder for a reverse head and shoulders. But again, we're just gonna have to see how it plays out. And I also want to see the stock breaking back above the 9 EMA, which is the blue line. As we can see, when the stock is holding the 9 EMA, that is a bullish sign and signal of an uptrend. And if you look at any other stock at the moment, they break above 9 EMAs and turn them into support, that's the start of an uptrend. So what I want to see is the stock to break above the 9 EMA, start forming higher highs, higher lows, and actually hold it as support and continue that upward trend. So now that you have a rough understanding of the technicals, let's talk about my price target. So if this falling wedge plays out like we hope it to and the stock ends up breaking up higher, then I could definitely see the stock first of all heading to this 130 level where it finds resistance. But if it breaks above that, then the stock will probably hit this 172 level where it had resistance over here, over here, over here, and in this general $170 level. However, if the stock continues lower and we see a lack of buying pressure and sellers step up even further, then the stock could definitely be heading right here to retest these lows right here at 85. We're at a low right here. If the stock breaks 85, then the stock could be heading a lot lower, and I would say just around this general area around 60, which is also a previous level of support and resistance way back over here in this general area. So below 85 is 60, but again, we're just gonna have to see how this falling wedge plays out, and depending on what kind of confirmation signals we get, such as turning the 9 EMA into support, forming higher highs, higher lows, those confirmation signals will tell us which way the stock is going to go. So guys, that's the video. Make sure to like, subscribe, and check out the Gen Z Trader Academy, where my goal is to help you learn technical analysis and become more profitable as a trader and really become better at making better entry and exit points. So with that being said, I'll see you guys next time. Take it easy, clocking out for now. Peace.